It's something News4JAX hasn't been able to report for the past 3 years. A decrease in property insurance premiums for customers of the state-backed insurance company Citizens. According to a local insurance agent, some customers are getting this very pleasant surprise as Citizens offers up even more property policies to private companies. Tarek Miner has been following the state's property insurance crisis for years. Tarek, does this mean the problem is over?
Well, insurance agents say by no means does this indicate that Florida's property insurance crisis is anywhere close to being over, maybe a little closer. But instead, it is a sign that the state is potentially heading in the right direction. Other homeowners, however, we spoke with are still seeing price hikes. You may recall Citizens offloaded roughly 300,000 policies 2 weeks ago. Now they're offloading 150,000 more. State regulators just gave the go-ahead to 6 more private insurance companies to take as many as 153,000 policies away from Citizens property insurance. It's another move to depopulate Citizens, which is carrying more than 1.4 million policies. Agents say for the first time in years, some homeowners are getting an unexpected surprise.
And in some cases, I've had 2 people this week who they're going to renew next year with a company whose price is almost $300 less than Citizens. So there's definitely a percentage of people who are going to get a lower priced policy, and they don't have to do anything to get it.
Brightway insurance agent Matt Carlucci says more private insurance companies flooding the market is resulting in more competition between them to offer Florida homeowners the lowest rates. He says Citizens customers need to be on the lookout for an offer letter in the mail, which gives homeowners the option to switch from Citizens to a private company.
Lately, a lot of private market companies have become more aggressive. And whenever you see that, because insurance is cyclical, so once the private market becomes aggressive, eventually prices are going to fall.
Not everyone is getting good news in the mail, however. We asked News4JAX insiders if they've received their offer letter from Citizens. Clark writes, love to be off of Citizens, but the new policy costs 55% more, and little information is provided, so no thank you. This was poorly handled by Citizens. Tina writes, not happy as my rates are going up almost $1,000 a year. It's not a choice to switch. We just bought our house a month ago. Crazy. And Jeff writes, I'm glad to see Citizens offloading many policyholders. As a taxpayer, I have grown weary of helping subsidize premiums of others. Insurance agents say so far this hurricane season, the state of Florida, for the most part, has dodged a bullet. As we get closer and closer to the end of hurricane season, agents say the insurance outlook could improve even more.
I do think we're heading in the right direction. I do think we have we still have a little ways to go.
So if you receive an offer letter from a private company who quotes you 20% more of what you're currently paying, you can reject that offer and stick with Citizens. However, if it's less than 20%, you have to take the deal. This was all part of this new legislation passed during a special session, so check your mailbox for mail from Citizens.